Hey guys, this is the video for daily division day 2, which is problems number 3 and 4. 17 ninths and 8 thirds. I'm backtracking because I never took videos for day 2 and 3, so I'm going to do that now. All right, so this is day 2. So our first problem is 17 ninths, and I went ahead and I set this up. Our numerator is what goes on the inside, our denominator on the outside. And remember that this is an improper fraction because this is a number that is greater, or sorry, our numerator is greater than our denominator. So improper fractions are going to be numbers that are greater than 1. So when you are ordering your fractions, decimals, and percentages, you know right away that this improper fraction is going to be larger than proper fractions. Okay, so now 17 divided by 9, we are dividing by 9, so we're going to list our multiples of 9. Oh, here's your little trick for 9s. Remember, 9s you can, here's a little pattern. We're going to go down. We're going to count down 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then you are going to count up from 1, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's a little trick there for 9s. Or you can think, start at 9, go down to 0, then start at 9, go down to 0. We don't have to put the 0 for that one because we know it's just a single digit 9. Okay, how many times can 9 go into 1? It can't. How many times can 9 go into 17? Just 1 time. So I'm going to put the 1 on top of the 17, or sorry, on top of the 7. And then 9 times 1 is 9, so that is what we are subtracting. And we get 8. Before we bring down our invisible 0, this is when we gotta add our decimal place. How many times can 9 go into 80? That's off by just 1, so only 8 times. 9 times 8 is that 72. And that is what I'm subtracting. 80 minus 72 is 8, and you can see this is where our answer will start to repeat because we just did how many times can 9 go into 80? 8 times. So we can go ahead and stop there. Let's put the hat on top of the 8. It tells me that that decimal 8 is what repeats. 17 ninths as a decimal is 1.8 repeating. And you can see that that is a number that is greater than 1 because it's an improper fraction. Okay, so that's your answer. If I went too fast, good thing about videos is that you can always pause and rewind it and watch again. You can even try to do these problems on your own and then watch the video and check your work. It's a good way to see if you can do these daily division problems. Okay, I'm going to pause and erase my screen. You can pause here if you like, and we're going to get ready for the second problem. Okay, our next problem is 8 thirds, which is another improper fraction. Our 8 is going to go inside, our 3 is going to stay on the outside. This is 8 divided by 3, so we're going to list our multiples of 3. Okay, I'm just going to stop right there. How many times can 3 go into 8? Twice. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Before I bring down my invisible 0, I'm going to go ahead and add my decimal and my 0. How many times can 3 go into 20? 18 is as close as we can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is that 18. Subtract our 18 and we get 2. Which means we have another decimal that is going to repeat. See that 20? We just did how many times can 3 go into 20? And where you know it's 6 times. So this is another fraction where you see it's going to go on forever. In fact, it repeats. So 8 thirds as a decimal is 2.6 repeating. All right, that's daily division day 2. Bye, guys.